Thiku imwe thutha wa mwandikithia wa ciama Anderito gukindira mogaruruku maria matafanirio ni Mwahu umwe wa kiama kia Jubilee uria utongoragio ni uria wari mbunge wa Kieni Kanini kega muthiini wa kiumia. Riu Kanini na timu yake ni mekinyirie wabici-ini cia kiama kiu na kuoya utongoria wakio. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro wabici-ini cia kiama, atongoria acio ni meranĩire gũtabania mogaruruku thiini wa kiama niguo gutigirira amemba akio ni matongorio na njira iria yagĩrĩire mugaru na hau kabere.
We are happy to be back to our party. We are happy that for the first time we feel the ownership of the party is with the members.
Kuringana na Kanini uria riu niwe unyitirire giturwa kia mwandiki munene kiama-ini, kihoto ni giguthingatwo na gutigirira maabitha aria marugamitio ni maheo mweke wa kwiyaria mbere ya kamiti cia kiama kuringana na watho. Oho Kanini ni ateterithitie kiama kia Jubilee gitikunyita itemi mirurungano-ini iria irathie na mbere gitongorio ni mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ya gukumithia utongoria wa President William Ruto.
We have asked all our supporters led by the national officials and members of parliament to keep away from these mass meetings. These meetings that are being called all over, that have no agenda, national agenda. We are not party to those meetings as Jubilee. We only had one man called Kioni with the Sophias. Yes. And now he will go there as a former SG and as a member.
Kanini ni ongerire kuga makoretwo makihatikwo ni kiama kia ODM utongoria-ini wa kamiti cia bunge na matigwitikira bunge ya Jubilee matunyo iturwa ciao utongoria-ini wa bunge ta uria kiama kia ODM kirutite mukana.
Those of us who are in parliament, we are not joyriders. We are not riding on the back of anybody. We will occupy our rightful positions pursuant to our numbers in parliament, and that's why the likes of Honorable Sabina Chege, the likes of US Truly, the likes of the Honorable Fatuma Dulo, and the other one was Professor Kamar. We are not threatened. We will occupy, and parliament is a house of traditions, a house of rules, house of norms.
Ona kuri uguo kiama kia ODM ni gitetetie spika wa bunge ya Senate Amason Kingi ni kwaga gukinyaniria riendekithia makio makwagurwo gwa Senator wa Ucio Fatuma Dulo ta muhuri mushalisha wa rianini. Kuringana na mogaruruku maria ODM yendekithitie giturwa kia muhuri mushalisha riu githukiirwo Senator wa Narok Ledama Olekina guku nake Senator wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna agituika munini wake.
Some officials who were there before have opted to now work with the majority party in the Senate, and we want to be very focused.
Na tulio mogaruruku-ini ma ciama uria wari minister wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamarwa riu ni amuritwo ta mutongoria wa kiama kia DAP Kenya na kwithenya riria riraria Wafula wa Munyinyi. Hindi ya kigomano gia kanju nene ya kiama giki iria kinyaniria mogaruruku maya utongoria wa kiama giki ni uteterithirie kiama giki ni giguthie na mbere gwikuruhania na ngwataniro ya Azimio la umoja hatari guthangania.
The party remains a member of Azimio One Kenya coalition party and as resolved by the formative NBC of 14th December 2021 and will work with all like-minded parties in the said coalition in pursuit of a better multi-party environment in Kenya. The party will fight for this democratic space that was hard fought for by our forebearers.
Wafula wa Munyinyi agukura ri munini wa Wamarwa thiini wa mogaruruku maria makinyanirio. Handu-ini Hakameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.